Now you're asked to download a browser extension. A browser extension is an extra piece of software that enables your browser to take specific actions. If you use Apple Safari, you can click the first link, or if you're using Google Chrome, click the second. I'm using Google Chrome today, so I will click this. You'll notice that it takes you to the Chrome Web Store, where you can simply click Add to Chrome to have the Merit extension added to your computer. You'll notice a pop-up window that asks you to validate that you want to add this extension to your web browser. You'll see here that Google is alerting users that some browser extensions are used to intentionally read websites or even autofill online forms for the user. That's not the purpose of the Merit Challenge extension. Our extension is not programmed to do either of those. Now we come to the part where you're going to need to paste in that red security code that we saw on the Merit website. If you have multiple tabs open on your web browser, you can go back to the challenge.merit.edu tab, find your red security code, and click the double rectangles to copy it to your clipboard. Now return to the Speed Test Extension tab and paste in that code. Click Save. The next page will show the results of any speed tests that have been taken on your machine. Now we can return to the challenge.merit.edu tab to finish. I'll click the Finish button here. And here's another opportunity for us to copy that security code. Fortunately, it's going to be in my clipboard. We will also send an email to you after you've completed this speed test, and you'll have that security code in the email. Yes, I did download the extension. Our final screen shows information about how long the testing will continue and between what times. There are also instructions on how to uninstall the extension if you desire to do so. Now we can click the Close button, and our challenge has been submitted. Your data is now fully submitted. Merit will take this data and send it to the state of Michigan in order to correct the map. If you still have questions or need help, please email challenge@merit.edu for help. Thank you for watching and helping us to improve internet access in the state of Michigan.